Okay, so welcome to you. Now we will see how to find the arc length. Suppose the curve is given, so at t is equal to t, a, t is equal to b. So that length of the curve that you want to find. Okay, arc length, that is called arc length. Okay, the length of a smooth curve r bar of t. This is the smooth curve r bar of t. So you know what is meant by a smooth curve? Its derivative is continuous. Okay, so this is a now, not 0. This is a. So what? This is t lies between a and b. That means on closed interval a b. That is traced exactly once as t increases from t is equal to a to t is equal to b each. This is the formula. This is a simple formula. So what we have to differentiate this dr by dt, and you have to take the modulus of that one. Okay. So this is the modulus of this one. Okay. If v bar of t, you know that derivative of this is nothing but this. Okay, and you know that the magnitude of this is this. Okay, so that means this you may replace this. What? This is a simple formula. Mod of v bar of t. Okay, so the arc length, this is the arc length parameter of a smooth curve r bar of t, t naught, t lies between the naught from the point where t is equal is s of t is equal to, this is what the parametric form. This is s of t is equal to this tau here. This is what v bar of tau. Just you have to change, because of t naught to t1, no problem for this one. So you may take you can take any variable now here. You can take s also, u also, no problem for this one. Okay, so you know the speed of the smooth curve is ds by dt. That is the magnitude of the v bar of t. Magnitude of the velocity is nothing but the speed of that. So this is known to you. Okay, so unit tangent vector t bar is what? This. Okay, but you know that this is dr by dt, and okay, and this is mod of dr bar by dt, because mod of v bar of t. Okay, so this is unit tangent vector. You are familiar with this one. Okay, so we have defined this unit tangent vector to the curve. Okay, so now dr by ds, this is the chain rule. So dr by dt, dt by ds. Okay, so this is the chain rule, but the dr by dt is nothing but v bar, and dt by ds. So dt by ds, this is ds by dt is 1 upon okay, ds by dt is equal to this. Okay, so that means this is 1 upon ds by this is what v. This is nothing but tangent vector. Okay, dr by ds is also unit tangent vector. Okay, so the unit tangent vector of a smooth curve is r bar of t is what? This is the this in terms of dr by ds. Okay, so that is dr by dt upon ds by dt. Okay, so now we'll see the problems on it. We'll find first the arc length, first 2-3 problems on the arc length, and we'll find a tangent. Okay, so we'll take a problem on it now. So here these definitions are very important for you. Okay, so if you study the competitive exam or this online MCQ exam, so these points are very important. You must read all the points. Okay, and you have to use that point to solve some critical problems, small but critical problems. Okay, so find the arc length, along the curve r bar of t is equal to 2 cos t I bar plus 2 sin t j bar plus root 5 t k bar from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi. Also find the unit tangent vector of the curve. Okay, so to find unit so we are already finding this dr by dt and modulus of the dr by dt. So easily you can find the unit tangent vector within the arc length also. Okay, solution, given that r bar of t is equal to, what is r bar of t? 2 cos t I bar plus 2 sin t j bar plus root 5 t k bar. Okay, so I will find dr bar by dt. Just directly differentiate 2 sin of t. So this is v bar. Okay, so this is v bar. Okay, so minus 2 sin t I bar plus 2 cos t j bar plus root 5 k bar. Okay, so now we'll find mod of v bar now. mod of v bar. This is what? Root of minus 2 sin t square plus 2 cos t square plus root 5 square. Okay. So now this is what? 4 sin square theta. So this is same as root of 4 sin square t plus 4 cos square t plus 5. If we take 4 common, sin square t plus cos square t is 1. So this is root 9. So this is 3. Okay. So arc length is equal to integration from limits are 0 to pi. Okay. 0 to pi mod of v bar dt. Okay. So 0 to pi 3 dt. So this is what? 3t 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay. So 0 to pi means what? This is 3 pi. So your arc length is 3 pi. Your arc length is 3 pi. Okay. So now what? Unit tangent vector. Okay. So unit tangent vector is equal to t bar. This is equal to v bar upon mod of v bar. Okay. So mod of v bar is what? 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. V bar is what? Minus 2 sin t I bar plus 2 cos t j bar plus root 5 k bar. Okay. Now it is over. No, don't simplify this. Don't multiply by that 1 by 3. Or you may multiply this 1 by 3. So you get this. Okay. So this is the solution of the problem. Orally you can do this. Orally you can do. See what is this? The derivative of this one. Take the square of that one. So easily you can find this. Okay. Orally also you can solve this problem. Orally you can find the length, arc length and this. So only I have to take the modulus of that one. You have to integrate that. So your modulus is constant. Okay. And integration of constant dot constant into t, and you have to take the limit 0 to pi. Lower limit is 0, so that means no problem for you have to put only the upper limit. So within a minute you can find the arc length of the curve. Okay. Now we take the second one. Find the arc length. Find the arc length along the curve. R bar of t 1 plus 3 cos t I bar plus 3 sin t j bar plus t square k bar from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. Also find the unit tangent vector of the curve. You have to find unit tangent vector also. Okay. So in this problem, so for that you don't have to take, only you have to use the formula. This is what? V bar upon mod of V bar. Simple. You are finding V bar, you are finding mod of V bar also. Okay. Okay. The solution given that R bar of t is equal to what? 1 plus 3 cos t I bar plus sin 3 sin t j bar plus t square k bar. Okay. So mod V bar. Okay. So V bar is equal to d by dt of R bar of t. So this is what? Minus 3 sin t I bar. Okay. So plus 3 cos t j bar. Okay. Plus 2t k bar. Okay. So mod of V bar you have to find. Okay. So that is what? Root of minus 3 sin of t square plus 3 cos of t square plus 2t square. This is equal to. Okay. If you take the square, this is 9 sin square t plus 9 cos square t. If you take 9 common, sin square t plus cos square t is 1. So this is what then? 9 plus 4 t square. 9 plus 4 t square. Okay. So now arc length. So t got 0 to 1. Okay. So mod of V bar dt. So this is what? 0 to 1 root of 9 plus 4 t square dt. Okay, so you have to take these 4 common. You have to make a coefficient of t square is 1, because you know the formula for root of a square plus x square. You know the formula for root of a square plus a square. So therefore you have to take the 4 outside. So this becomes then half now. Integration 0 to 1 root of 9 by 4 plus t square dt. 9 by 4 t square plus dt. So this formula is what? This formula. This is what? X by 2 a square x square x by 2 root of a square plus x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Okay, so this is the formula to integrate root of this. Okay, so we'll apply this here. So therefore I will write here the formula I will keeping here for you. Okay, so this is what then 1/2. Okay, so no, don't write this is what 0 to integration. Now we are integrating this. We are integrating x by 2. Your x is what? Your x is t here by 2. Okay, t by 2, and whatever the quantity under root, this will be same now, plus t square. Okay, so minus a square by 2. Your a square is 9 by 4. A square is 9 by 4 by 2 log of t plus root of 9 by 4 plus t square. This is as it is, and this is 0 to 1. Oh, this is x by a. This is x by a. Okay, so x by a, this is root of this is 3 by 2. Okay, okay, now correct. Okay, this is x by a, the root of this one. Okay, so now the formula is correct now. Okay, now we will put if you put t is equal to 0, what happen? Can you put t is equal to 0? If you put t is equal to 0, okay, so here, okay, we have to put both the limit now. We'll put upper limit. Okay, so this is what? 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. You are putting t is equal to 1. So this is what? 9. So root of what? 13 by 4. Okay, so 13 by 4 minus 9 by 8. This is what? 9 by 8 log of 1 plus root of 13 by 4. Root of 13 by 4. Okay, this is complete. Then minus half. We have to put t is equal to 0. If you put t is equal to 0, this is 0. Then this is 9 by 8. 9 by 8. We have to put t is equal to 0. Okay, so t is equal to 0. So root of 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. Log of 3 by 2. Okay, so over now. Okay, so what to simplify? Now this is what? So 1/2 you will take common. This is what? Root 13 by 3. Root 13 by 3. Okay, so minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8 log of 1 plus root 13 by 2. You are taking minus half common. Minus half you are already taken common. So this is what? 9 by 8 log of 3 by 2. Okay, so if you want to simplify this, you can simplify this. Otherwise you can keep as it is now. You can keep as it is. Okay, so so you keep this as it is now. Don't go through the simplify. You can simplify this. This, if you take the minus sign common, then just you have to take the product of this one. Okay. So this is not plus. Okay. This is the plus. This is plus. This is plus. Because what? This is a square. Sign is a square plus a square by 2. If it is minus a square, then you have to write minus a square by 2. Here what? The plus now. Okay. So make a correction here. You have to write the plus sign here. Okay. So this is a helpful formula to you. Now you have to find a tangent vector. Okay, you have to find a tangent vector. Okay, so unit tangent vector of the curve is T bar is equal to V bar upon mod of V bar. Okay, what is mod of V bar? 1 upon root of 9 plus 4t square into minus 3 sin t I bar plus 3 cos t j bar plus 2t k bar. Okay, so you may multiply by this. Okay, so now the problem is over here, or you may keep this as it is. Okay, so I according to me, just keep this as it is, don't do anything. Next, find the arc length. Find the arc length along the curve. R bar of t is equal to t cos t I bar plus t sin t j bar plus 2 root 2 upon 3 t to the power 3 by 2 k bar from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi. Also find unit tangent vector of the curve. Okay, solution. Given that R bar of t, okay, so we write R bar of t now. T cos t I bar plus t sin t j bar plus 2 root 2 upon 3 t raised to 3 by 2 k bar. Okay. Okay, now we will find V bar now. V bar is equal to d by dt of R bar of t. Okay, so here I write in the bracket because we have to apply the product rule there. Okay, so minus t sin t plus cos t and derivative of t is 1 now. Okay, here I have taken t, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, then cos t as it is, derivative of t is 1. So this is what is I bar plus t cos t plus sin t j bar plus 2 root 3 upon 2 root 2 upon 3 3 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2 k bar. Okay, so now mod of V bar. This is root of. Okay, so minus t sin t sin t. Okay, plus cos t bracket square plus t cos t plus sin t bracket square plus 2 root 2 by 3. Okay, so we'll simplify this. This is only root 2. Root t bracket square. Okay, so t raised to half is nothing but root t. So we have to take the square of that one. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll expand all these things now here. Okay, we'll expand this. This is what t square sin square t minus 2t sin t cos t. Okay, plus cos square t plus t square cos square t plus 2t sin t cos t, okay, plus sin square t plus 2t plus 2t only. Okay, so now see here, t square sin t, t square cos t. Okay, so this is what then only t square now. Now this is minus sin 2t cos t, this is plus sin 2 cos t, so it gets cancelled. Now this cos sin square t plus cos square t, so this is 1. Okay, and plus 2t only. This is 2t only because this is what root t square. Okay, so this is what 1 plus 2t plus this. Okay, so I can write this as because this is the expansion of t plus 1 bracket square. So t plus 1. So your V bar is what? T plus 1. Okay, so arc length here is same as what? arc length is same as, so what is that? 0 to pi, 0 to pi mod of v bar dt. This is 0 to pi t plus 1, क्यों 1 plus t will write dt. So this is what 1 t plus t square by 2, 0 to pi. Okay, so if you put t is equal to 0, your value is 0. So we don't have to put a lower limit, only you have to put the upper limit. So this is what pi plus pi square by 2, pi plus pi square by 2. And the arc length unit tangent vector what? T is equal to what? V bar upon mod of V bar. Okay, so this is 1 upon 1 plus t into, so just you have to write all this, what, minus t sin t plus cos t. Okay, so just you have to write this, what, t bar is equal to what, just I'll write t bar is equal to V bar upon mod of V bar. This is what 1 plus t into this. Okay, so this is your unit tangent vector. I hope that you understand this one. Okay, here the crucial part is what, to take the derivative and use the simple algebra. Okay, we have to use the simple trigonometric formula also. Okay, find the point, find the point. Okay, so this is the problem is differ from this. Okay, point on the curve, r bar of t, 5 sin t I bar plus 5 cos t j bar plus 20 k bar at a distance 26 pi units along the curve, from the point 0, 5, 0 in the direction of increasing arc length. That means initial point you have provided to you. Initial point is provided. That means T naught is provided to you. Okay. So how to find that T naught we'll see. Okay. So solution. Given that. Okay. R bar of T is equal to, just we'll find all those things first and then we'll see what to do. 5 cos T plus J bar. This is I bar. J bar. 20 K bar. Okay. So now V bar is equal to d by dt of R bar of T. You have to take the care of, this is the vector. So take care of I bar, J bar, K bar now. So this is what? 5 cos T I bar minus 5 sin T J bar plus 12 K bar. So mod of V bar is same as what? Root of 5 cos T square along with the sin we have to take, minus sin T square plus 12 square. Okay. So this is what then? 25 plus 144. So this is 13 now. This is what? 13. Okay. So this is 13 now. So arc length L is equal to T0 to T1 mod of V bar dt is equal to T0 to T1. This is what? 13 dt. This is 13 dt. So this you can write, this is what? 13 t, T0 to T1. T0 to T, okay? We'll take T only. And you have to find the value of T now here. Okay? So T0, okay, so here x is equal to what? 5 sin t. Y is equal to what? 5 cos t. And your z is what? 12t. Okay? So x is equal to T0 is nothing but x, y, z. Okay? So that is 0, 5, 0. Okay? So this implies that you have to put x is equal to 0. Okay? X is equal to 0 means sin 0 is 0. So this is what? 0, cos 0. This is 5. Okay? Y is 5. So cos 0 is 1 now. See, cos t is 1. Okay. This implies that what? Sin t is equal to 0. Cos t is equal to 1. Cos t is equal to 1. And z is 0 means what? T is equal to 0. See, this t is equal to 0 satisfies both the things, right? So that means your t is 0. Okay. So your lower limit is 0 now. Okay. And your arc length is given. That is what? 26 pi. So 26 pi is equal to 13t 0 to t. So that is what? 13t. So therefore t is equal to what? 2 pi. Therefore t is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So your t is 2 pi. Okay. So this implies that you have to find a point. Okay. So x is equal to then. Your x is equal to what? Sin 2 pi is 0. So x is equal to 0. Okay. So y is equal to what? 5. And z is equal to what? 24 pi. Okay. So z is equal to 24 pi. 24 pi. Okay. So therefore the required point is 0, 5, 24 pi. Okay. Okay. So this is very nice problem. Nice and interesting for me to watch. Okay. Okay. So find the arc length. Find the arc length parameter. Okay. Along the curve r bar of t 4 cos t I bar plus 4 sin t j bar plus 3t k bar from the point t is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Solution. Given that I will take a shortcut. Given that. Okay. So this is given. So all those things you have to find. R bar of t, all those things you have to find. Okay. So V bar of t is equal to minus 4 sin t I bar plus 4 cos t j bar plus 3 k bar. Okay. So mod of V bar of t. So this is root of minus 4 sin t square plus 4 cos t square plus 3 square. You have to find what? Parameter. Arc length parameter. This is you want. So this is what? Root of. You know that this is what? 4 square. This is 16. 16 plus 9 is 5 now. Okay. Root of 25. So this is 5. Okay. Now what you want? The arc length parameter. Okay. The arc length parameter. So this is what? S of t. Okay. This is S of t. This is what? 0 to t mod of V bar of t mod of V bar of t dt. Okay, no problem. 0 to t, actually t naught is given to 0. Okay, no problem for this one. Okay, so 0 to t mod of V bar is what? Is 5 dt. So this is what? 5t 0 to t. So this is what? Just 5t. This is just 5t. So this is arc length parameter is 5 to is only 5t. Okay. So I hope that you understand all those things, which is a very simple topic. Orally you can solve this. Okay. Orally you can find arc length and this. Okay. So I hope that you understand this one. Okay. So now we stop here. Thank you.